Hey guys, this is Keene from KeeneMarket.com. This is your futures update, daily video recap for April 9th, 2012. Today we had an interesting day in the minis, in oil, and the euro. I only took one trade in the oil, and it was a winner, but I will go over all the trades today. Here's our daily chart on the minis, S&P. Actually, on Friday we closed at 1375, and today we closed at 1375. So on Friday, we are open till 8:30. Poor jobs number. We tried to rally above it, and we sold off towards the end of the day. We broke the 20-day. Now we're trading right around the 50-day. These are very important levels. We're trying to break the channel to the downside. I'm not sure if we're going to get more follow-through. So this is a very, very critical level for both the bulls and the bears. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. We opened up this morning at 1375, which is also the close, which was also Friday's close. We got the low of the day within the first half hour, 1373, 73 quarter. A lot of overlapping bars. We got into the cloud at the end of the day. I was going to buy above the cloud, sell below the cloud, but we did not move through there. For the day, we have the high at 1382.75 and the low at 1373 quarter. So about a 9-point range today. I was talking about in the live trading room how we had about a 5-point range for a very long period of time. And I thought we'd extend to a 10-point range, which is probably in line with the daily ranges. So, what are important levels? We still have this 1419 to the upside. Now we have today's low, which is a very critical level, 1373. We could possibly see the low from March 7th, which is 1336. So the next target, main target to the downside is this 1363 level. Then 1336 is going to be important to the upside. 1400, significant. 1408, 1411, and 1420. We could also gap to this 1392. Let's bring up the euro. I kind of missed this trade. I was kind of mad at myself. I was looking to get long the euro. And I was actually talking about buying the break above the cloud in the euro anytime today. And we had a break above the cloud right here. Let me make sure this is in the 24-hour, which I knew it wasn't. So I was trying to buy the breakout of the cloud. Very, very thin cloud. I should have probably bought right here at 130.76. I didn't. If I didn't get in there, this was a huge, strong buy above here, 130.91. I could have had a stop down here for about 25 bips to the downside, and it would have had me in all day to about 40 bips to the upside. So an aggressive long would have been here. All these overlapping bars, I didn't want to jump on this trade, so I did not take this one. I was trading oil at the time, so I didn't catch this one either. Right when it ripped to the upside, I should have bought the breakout of this bar, have the stop either below this bar or below the cloud, probably below the cloud, and that would have me in all day. Let's look at the oil trade I took. This was another winning trade. I've been talking about trading futures. I've been trading futures very, very well lately. So let me just go to it, and I'm going to go to the, not the 24-hour period. I'm going to just make sure this is right. I think it's not right. So here we go in oil. So this morning we got a nice sell-off to the bottom. Tested this 101 level. You know, next level is 100 because that's a psychological level. But testing at the low of the year right now in oil. You can bring up the daily chart. I'm pretty sure it's the low of the year would have been... No, it's just a low since February. So it's not the low of the year. But this $100 level, $101 level, very important. Then we saw buying pressure all day long. The breakout of the cloud was here, 102.14. I aggressively took a long position here. 102.14. I had a stop under the low of the cloud, so I was risking about $1. Like I said, this is very aggressive. This is a very thick cloud. My first target was 102.59, which if I go back, is this level right here. Second target was 103.15. We didn't have enough time left in the day, so I punted my trade. I got out of half my trade at 102.59, the other half at 102.44. So that's very, very important. The breakout of the cloud, I bought the breakout of the cloud, and I really didn't take too much pain, maybe like 20 cents of pain before it ripped to the upside. Hit target 1. If there was more time, I would have risked to target 2 with a break-even stop. This is Keene from KeeneMarket.com. This is your futures recap. Remember, if you want all the trades live, real time, you have to come to the live trading room. I announce all my futures, equity options, and foreign trades in the live trading room. Have a great night, guys.